Guess what, everybody? Apparently, lift 5 is under refurbishment, and this one's working again. Okay, I'll quickly show you. I'll show you. Look, it's under refurbishment. So, and also in here,
Going up.
new buttons. You're going up.
Going up.
To which one?
Gallery. Going up. Second floor. Going up. Thirteenth floor. Going down.
Right, now, there you go. Last time I was here, only this one was broken, but now it's working. But now, it's this one here that's broken. Look, this lift is under refurbishment. Okay, while we're up here, I just want to get a look at something. These chime indicators, these square lanterns and chime is still here. And I can hear the voice through one of the lifts. Let's go down. You know, it won't be that one because it's broken. I can hear ground floor from all the way up here. It's this one. This one's still completely original. Look, still completely original, as you can see. And in some videos I might not do toilets, but that's okay, I'll still do toilets, but this time I'm doing this for a change because I just saw that this one here is working again and this one isn't. Look, I'll show you again, but look, and I don't want to drop my phone in there. Look, completely out of use. It's this one here that goes to B1 and B2. Are you going down?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. And this one here is still original because there's no buttons through here. Right. And also this side, also that door up there is removed. And look, as you can see here, there is no lift through, no lift there, no lift there, no lift there. There's only 2 lifts, these 2. Let's go back up. And it's waiting for me here. We'll go up to and when I did the service lifts last time I was here, when I didn't record them, I got caught by security, so there's no point going in service lifts now. So I don't go to them anymore. Also, they're slow. I will send this all the way down to B2. And as I said, the service lift aren't going anymore because last time I got caught by security. Also they're slow as well and boring. But I like the good thing about them are the buttons in them, as they're square buttons. And the service lifts have the no door close button only, the lift number, stop, what, and also the floor and open doors and alarm. This one's at the very top level, the modernised one, but the rest here are original. Which one is it? It's this one again. Which one are you going to? 1. Yeah. There you go.
Down?
This one's going up.
Okay.
What was that? Okay, this is lift number 6, equipment number 1622485, the year of construction 2005, Toowong Village and Tower, 9 Sherwood Road, Toowong, Queensland, maximum load 1,360 kilograms, 20 persons. And 20 persons, L5149. Let's try to get it right. Also, as I said, the square lanterns are still the same. I don't know whether the square lanterns and chimes will be the same or not when they're fully completed. So lift modernisation. Which one will we get out of this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one? It won't be that one, of course, because it's under starting refurbishment. Again, this is lift 2 we got. This one's original. Yeah, government imposed restriction, 6 people per lift. Please stand as marked to comply with regulations of social distancing. Stay safe and support our community. Okay. Okay, so I'm going down. I'm just filming elevators because they're my obsession.
We missed the train project. Open City one though. Yeah. Not our train, so we have to get off.
It's an onboard.
So we have to get off. Are we on this level?
Alright. Also, we'll try and give a modded lift to B1 and B2. No, I'm wrong. It's the original one. That's what I want. Yeah, we got this one many times today. It's time to get... Let's see if we can get this one here. It's already coming. And I can hear a voice. This is the modernized one. Look, see, buttons, buttons. And I like... Look, this side is original and that side is modernized.
Basement 2.
And also, they've made it brighter since my last visit.
Going up.
We'll go up to... Also, why did someone not get rid of that sticky tape? I don't know why. This side's original, this side's not. That's modernized. See, original, modernized. Original, modernized.
30th floor.
Also, the emergency button sounds different, I think. Yes, it just sounds like an alarm. Right.
Going down.
Okay, we'll go to... Locked. It's already going down.
11th floor. Going down.
Which one do you like? Oh, it doesn't matter.
Second floor.
Thank you.
Going down.
But look, yeah, with 5 here is under refurbishment.
First floor.
Alright, and this will conclude our Toowong Tower.
Going up.
Hope you guys like it and stay safe for more lifts and toilets. I'll see you in the next one.